In today's video, we're talking about why running AI agents on your laptop is holding you back and what you should do instead if you actually want to build something that works long term. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why local setups break down so quickly and how to move to a system using PaperClip and Hostinger VPS that actually runs like a real AI-powered company. The reality is, running one AI agent is fine. You open ChatGPT, give it a task, and you're good. But the second you try to run multiple agents together, everything starts to fall apart. You've got different tabs open, tools not talking to each other, no shared memory, no structure, and no way to control what each agent is doing. It can turn into chaos really fast. And that's exactly where PaperClip and Hostinger come in. One gives you structure, the other gives you infrastructure. And together, they let you build something that actually works. So let's get into it. So first off, let's talk about what PaperClip even is. PaperClip is an open source AI orchestration platform that lets you run multiple agents as a structured system instead of isolated tools. So instead of thinking in terms of prompts, you can start thinking in terms of roles and workflows. You can create an entire organization of agents. A CEO agent that sets direction, a research agent that gathers information, a builder agent that executes tasks, and everything flows through a clear structure. Each agent has a role, a goal, and a defined scope of work. They don't just respond to prompts. They operate within a system that you design and create. PaperClip itself doesn't come with its own AI model. It essentially connects to providers like OpenAI, Claude, or Gemini, so you can choose how each agent is powered depending on what you actually need. And because it's open source and self-hosted, you're not locked into a platform. Your workflows, your logs, and your system all live inside an environment you control. Now, setting something up like this manually can be pretty complicated if you're not super technical, and that's where a Hostinger truly changes the game. They make it so simple. Hostinger gives you a VPS with a pre-configured Docker template for PaperClip. So instead of installing everything step by step, you can deploy a working system in just a few clicks and focus on actually building your workflow instead of dealing with setup. Now, running AI agents locally feels simple at first. Everything is on your computer, you're in control, and it seems easy to test things out, but as soon as you try to scale, it might break. Your computer can turn off, your agents stop running, you lose progress, you lose context, and you have to start everything over manually. There's no persistence, no structure, and no system keeping things organized. And once you start running multiple agents, it could potentially get worse because they don't share context properly, there's no clear hierarchy, and there's no way to track what's actually happening across your workflows. Then there's also costs. So without structure, agents can keep running without limits, which can lead to an unexpected API usage and bill that you don't plan for. And finally, there's reliability. Your laptop isn't designed to run something continuously. It sleeps, it crashes, it slows down, and everything depends on whether your machine is on or not. So while local setups are fine for testing, they're not really built for anything serious. And this is where PaperClip and Hostinger VPS fix this. PaperClip gives you the structure. It organizes your agents into a system with roles, responsibilities, and workflows. Hostinger gives you the infrastructure. Your system runs on a VPS that stays online 24 hours a day. Your agents don't stop working when your computer turns off. They keep running in the background, which means your AI system becomes something that operates continuously instead of something you have to manually manage. You also get so much more control. You decide how your agents are structured, what they can do, and how much they spend. You're not relying on a black box tool, you're building your own system. And because Hostinger uses a pre-configured Docker deployment, you don't need to be a developer to get started. You're honestly skipping the hardest part and going straight into building. I'm going to quickly show you how you can set this up in Hostinger VPS. So if you don't already have a Hostinger VPS account, we do have a link down below where you can save up to 70% off. I will dive into the different plan options in a bit, but I want to show you how to get this set up. Okay, so once you're logged in, you'll go ahead and navigate to VPS. You can go ahead and get VPS, or you can manage one that you already have. We'll go ahead and go to the Docker manager. Then we'll go ahead and compose. And what we want to do is click one-click deploy. From here, you can just search the catalog. You'll search the catalog for PaperClip. You go ahead and click select. And then this is where you'll add in the name, admin email, admin password, Anthropic, OpenAI, Gemini, or Cursor API key. So whichever ones you want to use, you'll click deploy and you are good to go. Now, one of the most powerful features of PaperClip is the company structure. Instead of random agents doing disconnected tasks, you build a hierarchy. You might have a CEO agent at the top that assigns tasks, manager agents that oversee workflows, and worker agents that execute specific actions. This just makes your system feel organized and scalable. Another major feature is budget control. You can assign limits to each agent so they only use a certain amount of resources. If an agent hits its limit, it stops automatically. This is huge huge because it prevents runaway costs and gives you predictable usage. There's also a centralized dashboard where you can see everything happening in your system. You can view your organization structure, track tasks, and review logs of what each agent is doing. This gives you full visibility and makes it easy to manage your workflows. Because everything runs on a VPS, your system is always on. Your agents can run tasks, process workflows, and operate continuously without interruption. This is what allows your setup to feel like a real working system instead of a tool that you open and close. You can also create automated workflows. Agents can run on schedules, check for tasks, and execute actions without needing to trigger them manually. This is where things start to feel powerful because your system is actually doing the work in the background. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons so you can decide if this is the setup for you. Starting off with the pros, and the biggest one is structure. You're not just using AI tools, you're building a system that can operate and scale. You also get full control over your environment, so your data stays within your VPS and you decide how everything is set up. The budget control feature helps you manage costs in a predictable way, which is important when you're working with multiple agents. And with Hostinger, the setup is much easier than doing everything manually. On the downside, there is still a learning curve. Even though the setup is simplified, you still need to understand how agents, APIs, and workflows can fit together. There will also be ongoing costs from your VPS and AI model usage depending on how much your system runs. And if you're only using AI occasionally, the setup might be a bit more than you actually need. Now, let's dive into the different plans and pricing options. So first off, PaperClip itself is free because it's open source. You're not paying to use the platform or to create agents. Your main cost is your VPS through Hostinger, and then of course, whatever AI models that you're using. But in terms of Hostinger VPS, again, if you use our link down below, you'll be able to save up to 70% off. So you can go ahead and click choose plan. So depending on the amount of usage you need, so core, RAM, disk space, and bandwidth depends on the plan. So you can really grow with it depending on where you're at. So the KVM 1 plan is $6.49, and that's saving you 67% off. The KVM 2 plan is $8.99 per month, which is saving you 63% off. The KVM 4 plan is $12.99 per month, saving you 70%. KVM 8 is 65% off, which comes to $25.99 per month. Every single plan has AMD EPYC processors, SSD storage, data centers worldwide, free weekly backups, firewall management, and so much more. But again, you can choose the plan depending on where you're at and how much capacity you need. They also do have a 30-day money back guarantee, so it really is risk-free when it comes to trying this system out. This setup is really ideal if you want to move beyond basic AI tools and start building a real system. If you're a creator, a founder, or someone interested in automation, this is going to give you a way to build workflows that actually run in the background and produce results. It's especially useful if you want multiple agents working together, need structure, want to control costs, and want your system running all the time. On the other hand, if you're just using AI casually or for a simple task, this might feel like a bit too much. But if you're thinking about scaling and building something more advanced, this is a really strong direction to go into. The biggest shift here is going from using AI as a tool to building a system that actually works for you. PaperClip gives you that structure. Hostinger gives you the infrastructure. And when you combine both, you can build something that runs continuously like a real company. If you want to get started with Hostinger VPS and get PaperClip set up, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. That wraps up this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.